back. My name is Troy Young. We're having a big super sale here at Mike Brown Auto. Friday the 16th and the 17th. We're having a big super sale on our used car pre-owned inventory. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little walk around video. Kind of show you what we have here. Have a Nissan here, 2013 model with 18,000 miles. A Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011. Looks like it's got 19,000 miles. Looks like a Chevrolet Traverse, silver in color, 29,000 miles. Another Grand Cherokee. You need to come on down to Mike Brown Auto, Granbury, Texas, off of 4950 Highway 377. We're having a big super sale. We're going to have Cokes, water, hot dogs. Get you an Earl Campbell's sausage. We've got lenders on hand, good credit, bad credit. Cash is all the same to us. Come on down here at Mike Brown Auto. Got a nice lifted up Silverado here. I think it's got a little over 8,000 miles. Super Duty. A Dodge Ram. Nice looking Silverado. Duramax diesel. Z71. We've got a little over 100 vehicles. We've combined 3 of our stores on our used car inventory. New or used is fine. We've got, between new and used, we've probably got about 700 plus vehicles. We're having a big event. Matter of fact, Saturday. Now we close at 5. You've got to be present. We will be giving away a car. They have not told us what car they're going to be giving away. We do this every year. Dodge Challenger, Toyota Corolla, Nissan, another Toyota, big super sale. Scion, cars, trucks, SUVs. Nice looking Tahoe. I think this Tahoe is a 2007 model, 90,000 miles on it. Look at here, SVT Raptor. A Ram 1500. A Tacoma, Texas Edition Silverado, another Tahoe, good looking Ford F-150 Platinum Limited. Nice looking XLT pickup with a nice topper, Chevrolet Avalanche, custom wheels. Look at this lifted up truck. Ram 1500 with a Hemi. Look at here, Sierra, Wrangler, Jeep. Let's see what year model. The 2009 model, 76,000 miles. Got some nice custom wheels. Wow, look at this. Look at this Mustang. Got custom red leather inside. Volkswagen, another Mustang. Chevrolet HHR. A Chrysler 300. Volkswagen Beetle, Mustang, Another Mustang. Cadillac Escalade. All-wheel drive. FX4. Look at these Jeeps here. We got a little bit of everything. Rubicon. The big old winch in the front. Some more trucks. This here is going to be our certified vehicles. SEL Escape, Ford Escape, EcoBoost. Look at there, 95.9 the wrench. Gonna be having some live music.
He could be the best collection agent out of any place.
Getting ready to set up the mechanical bull. Everybody say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Come on down to Mike Brown Ford, Granbury, Texas.
Right.
Got Jeff over there. Gonna be doing some barbecuing. What do you got on there, Jeff?
That's it, man.
Looks like you got some Earl Campbell's going. Save me one of them. Got some more inventory. We ran out of room at the front. We had to bring them to the back. Come on down here to Mike Brown Ford here in Granbury. We've got them stacked deep. Plenty to choose from. The big old supercell. My name's Troy Young. Come ask for me. Mike Brown Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Hyundai.